My name is Jennifer Fine. I'm the CEO and founder of YouLi, as in You Live to Travel. The original inspiration for YouLi actually came from a trip to Japan, which started as a crazy idea with 2 people and turned into a group of 9 of us climbing Mount Fuji on the Gotemba route on the backside of Fuji, because we don't like to do the easy way. And I spent a lot of time chasing emails, spreadsheets, and answering so many questions from people. Who's coming in when? Where are we staying? How much cash do we need to bring? What should I pack? And I realized there really should be an online solution to this problem of organizing group travel. And when I went looking for it, I couldn't find exactly what I was looking for. Because of my background building digital marketing technology platforms, I knew that this wasn't so hard to make. So I decided to make a prototype and test it out. And conveniently, I had a destination wedding to plan. My husband's originally from Jordan, and because of the magical experiences that he shared with me, I decided the best way to celebrate our marriage was to share that with our friends and family. But of course, taking a lot of people to the Middle East is not so easy, so we worked with Spice Road Travel, and we used the prototype for YouLi to collect all the preferences from our travelers and manage the payments, because depending on when they came in and what optional items they had, there would actually be a different price for each person. And the optional item that most people opted in for was actually the hot air balloon ride, which is where our logo comes from. So off the back of a very successful destination wedding with 30 people coming from around the world for 8 days in Jordan, and it actually went amazingly well. And everyone gave me great feedback about the prototype of YouLi. Then I had to figure out, how do I take this personal success and turn it into an actual business? Because there's a lot of people who could actually use a tool for group travel organization. And everyone I talked to could think of another group of people: retreat organizers, conference organizers, reunions, sports travel. And that was great, but it also meant that I didn't have focus, and there were too many different competing requirements. So my main business challenge was definitely figuring out who I wanted to target initially. So we decided to get an MVP out to market and see which customers were actually most interested in our product. And during our early adopter phase, we got a lot of interest from retreat organizers and boutique travel agents and tour operators that create transformational experiences. They take people on journeys that change them. And we realized that was our target market. People who are not afraid to go out and create something truly unique for every single one of their customers. So now we've invested in creating a white labeled version of YouLi, which allows our business customers to create a completely branded experience to sell their custom travel experiences through the YouLi platform. That means that for consumers, it's a completely free platform with the YouLi branding, and they can use it to organize an unlimited number of trips with unlimited number of travelers, with features to make it easier to organize a group to have any kind of group travel experience. With YouLi as an organizer, you can create your own YouLi travel pages for every single trip that you're currently running. They're completely private, and they don't require an account for your travelers to access their own personalized travel page. You control every aspect, from the schedule to the tasks to the payment collection. You can collect payments online through credit cards, or you can just manage offline payments. Whatever you need to do, YouLi will help you do it, all in one place. We believe that the best kind of travel is the kind where you allow yourself to be changed and come home knowing more than when you left. And we know that the organizers of the world who create these unique travel experiences make it possible for people to experience things they would never have done on their own. And with our launch of the YouLi Marketplace in January, we'll have a platform to connect the two. To become a foundational planner on YouLi and secure your spot on the marketplace, get in touch with me, Jen at youlivetotravel.com, or find us on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. You Live to Travel.